energy should be very high, isn't it? I know all through this program, I wasn't sure if I would be sitting here through the function. I was actually remembering my 12th farewell party. Believe me, it's been almost, I think, 25 years down the line, and counted. You remember it many a times in your life. This day is very, very special. You know, I was remembering as I was getting ready for the farewell party, the song there must be some song playing as if all ladies were getting ready. Some song in a loop or a continuous music track playing. What was the movie of that time? Everything was running back, and this is indeed a very special day. And, okay, so it is your special day. Let's try to make it a little more special. As you can see, there are drums around, and you're sitting here. You're not supposed to be sitting so tight and close to each other. You could take the chairs also at the end, but I think you all want to be together. So if during this session you feel like it's a bit tied up and you're feeling the heat behind, okay, let me start here. You can see drums in front of you. So, of course, these drums will be played by you today, by all of you today together. So let me ask you, why do you think we would be playing the drums like this? Yes? He doesn't know, which is very good. Okay. No, everybody cannot say I don't know. Why do you think we would be playing the drums together? Yeah? To just enjoy. To just enjoy. Absolutely, it's a party, right? Yeah. Having fun. Having fun together. Are you taking a picture or a video? Picture. Don't do videos at this stage, yeah? So, okay. He has no idea. Okay. To create new music. To create new music, yes. You're opening up to have fun together, to enjoy, to create new music.
It is just the pulse of my brain.
It's just the pulse of your brain. What would you do with the pulse of your brain? Play the same beat on the drum, but then that's you playing. But why are we all playing together?
I have no idea.
No idea. Good. The lady here. United? United together, yes. So I think most of the things are said. Anything somebody would want to add to?
What sort of entertainment?
Some sort of entertainment. Fun, okay. Anything anybody would want to add? Okay, so it is fun, it is united, it is the pulse in his brain. Actually, that's a very beautiful way, probably you couldn't put it rightly. Enjoyment together and having fun together, that's the whole idea of celebrating together, of playing together like this. And we're going to begin in a moment. And I think if there are some drums here, even the staff members could join in. Anybody who would want to be a part of this, please, this is a way of bringing everybody together and playing together. And yes, not taking much of your time, we would start the session. This is indeed a beautiful moment. Probably as you take a beautiful step into the next phases of your life, take this as a precursor, a simple lesson of how, a simple experience of how being together is so beautiful. Being free is so beautiful. Not judging is so beautiful. And being yourself is so beautiful. This is what drumming is all about. Just being the energy you are, experiencing it, celebrating it, sharing it, and taking it forward. No goals, no judgment, just the moment and you. That's the whole beauty of life, which you would realize as you move forward in life. I think most of your mobiles have been hijacked, but in case some of you have managed to bring them in, would request you not to record during the session. Be here. Believe me, 20 years down the line, you will not go to Facebook to see the picture. You will just close your eyes to remember it. So please take in everything you can. We have a heart and a mind big enough to absorb the experience and live it. So the lovely, lovely, lovely people here. Are you ready to go for it? Yes? Alright. So your friend, your hand, your guide, in this beautiful journey of being together and celebrating this special day of your lives would be Vihan. Vihan is the director of Drumberries, a singer, songwriter, a composer, a multi-instrumentalist and a master facilitator. He has been a rhythm and leadership coach across various organizations and various groups of people, and very recently has been credited with organizing the largest session like this on the planet, where 10,000 children came together to play towards the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. And this evening, it would be Vihan for all of you. I wish you a great session. Enjoy, smile, and God bless you all. Here is Vihan for Johnson's students this evening.
सबसे पहले आप सब लोगों को मुबारकबाद and a very good evening to all of you. So my dear friends, are you ready to have some fun together? I want a big yes. Oh no. This is approximately 33%. I want the real 100%. Are you ready? No. We are still right now.